Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video, I will teach you how you can withdraw your money from this Moomoo trading app. So let's begin the video. So first you have to go and you have to open your Moomoo trading app. When you will open the app, you will see this watch list on the app. Here you can see all the trending coins and you can trade on these coins. Now here in the bottom you can see many options. Here you have the stock, market and news, and you can also see this option called me. So just you have to go and you have to click on this me option. Now here when you will click on me, this page will open in front of you. Now here you can see your account and here you can see all the things, like here you can see rewards, alerts and all these things. Now from here you have to go and you have to click on this trading related. When you will click on that, here you can see all functions where you can see trade, fund, stock, and here you also have this fee. So in trade you can see your trade, your transitions and cash swap, and in the stock you can see your transfer stocks, your transfer stock out, your transfer stock in, and in the fund you can see your deposit, your fund detail, and you can see here the option called withdrawal. For withdrawing money, just you have to go and you have to click on this withdrawal option here. Similarly, you can also deposit money in your account by clicking on this deposit option. Now I will just go and I will click on this withdrawal option here. Now here you can see for withdrawal you have two options here. You can withdraw with the ACH or you can withdraw via wire. Here you have two options. Now here if we talk about the ACH, for the ACH there is no fee, it's completely free. And if we talk about the expected arrival date, it usually takes 5 business days. And if we talk about which bank it follows, it only follows USA domestic banks. And if we talk about the wires, here the fee varies by the bank. And if we talk about the estimate arrival date, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. And it follows USA domestic banks and all the international banks. So for international transaction you can use these wires, and for domestic you can use their ACH. Now here just you have to go and you have to pick one method. After that here you have to write your amount of money that you want to withdraw, and later you have to write here your password for confirmation. After that here just you have to go and you have to click on continue, and your payment will gonna be transferred. And that was basically all about how you can withdraw your money from your Moomoo trading account. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.